guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight I'm making a lasagna, a very easy, simple lasagna. I'm using ground turkey because I like ground turkey and it's a little healthier than beef. So using ground turkey, and I'm using some pasta, lasagna noodles that I'm going to boil slightly. And I have some garlic here, some parsley, green pepper, red pepper, and red onion. I'm going to dice all this up and I'm going to put it into the ground turkey and make a meat sauce. I'm also using Prego or some sauce, and using ricotta cheese, and I'm using mozzarella cheese. I decided to opt out on using Parmesan. Just didn't feel like using it tonight. So this is what I'm using. Like I said, it's very simple. So let's get started. So I'm just rinsing off the parsley and drying it a little bit, and I'm going to use a paper towel to pat dry it for later. Okay, so I'm going to add some oil, some olive oil to the pan. So I'm going to start sauteing my vegetables. Okay, so I have my veggies ready for sauteing, so I'm going to go to the pan. Add some salt. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, so I'm going to drain my pasta. Water. I'm going to pour water over it so that it can start the cooking process, so that the noodles won't get too soft. And I'm going to let them cool down, and then I'm going to get my meat sauce ready. Okay, so my meat is ready to put in the pan because my veggies are basically ready. I'm going to add some chicken broth to this. So I'm going to start seasoning my meat. And lastly, I'm going to add some sesame completa because sesame completa has everything in it. So, okay, so I just want my meat to be seasoned well. I have to drain the water, and the reason why you're draining the water is because you don't want your pasta to be soggy. I mean your lasagna to be soggy. Okay, so your sauce, you're going to want to put some seasoning on that too, because we already seasoned the meat, but the sauce wasn't seasoned. So you're going to have to do that also, because you don't want to have meat that's seasoned and the sauce tastes bland, right? so I'm gonna let this, I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna let this cool down. Okay, so we're gonna start getting the ricotta ready. This is the ricotta right here. And we're gonna pour it in a bowl. And this is let me see what size of ricotta. This is a 15-ounce ricotta. Okay, so the only thing I'm doing to this ricotta is adding some salt to it. Just because the ricotta has no taste to it. And I'm adding some, I'm going to add the rest of the parsley that I chopped up. And I'm going to mix it together. I may put a little, garlic seasoning, garlic powder. Let me add some garlic powder. Come add some garlic powder. Just so that the ricotta has some flavor, because ricotta really is tasteless. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let me try it now and see. And I'm gonna put some chicken broth in it. I'm adding one of these. I love this. I know this is probably, I have to really look up into this and see if this is sodium. I mean, it has a lot of sodium. I hope not. But I'm going to add a little chicken broth. And I know this is not traditional because this is my lasagna. So, I just hate the way ricotta tastes. It's so plain. It has no flavor to it. So I try to jazz it up a little bit. Okay, let me try it now and see. Better. Okay, so we're good. Okay. Okay, so we're going to start building lasagna. I'm going to put some sauce in the bottom of the pan. And this is just so that the lasagna doesn't stick. Because we don't want that. And if they're broken, or if you have any pieces that are jagged or whatever, you don't have to worry about it. Don't go crazy over it. Just lay them down and fill in the spaces. So like this is broken, but it's okay because I'm just going to find something in the meantime to fill in the gap. Okay, so I'm going to add the ricotta. Okay, so now we're going to add the cheese. And this is the middle layer, so go crazy with this layer. This is the layer that everybody goes crazy for. Okay, so I'm gonna put some foil over this. And I'm not gonna put it so tight because I don't want the cheese to stick. So I'm just giving it a little pocket because the cheese is gonna start bubbling and everything like that. I just want to leave a little gap. See that? Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven now. Okay. So I'm putting this in the oven for at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. I'm putting it at 375. Okay. Oh, look how delicious this is. So guys, this is my delicious lasagna, and it came out delicious. Just perfect. Well, I'm going to try a piece in a few minutes. And but I just wanted to show you I'm having salad also with this, so that's what I'm having for dinner. I was going to have bread, but it was just too much carbs, so I just opted out tonight, and I'm just going to have the lasagna. But look at how delicious this lasagna is. So you know I have to cut a piece, right? I have to show you the cheese. I know, I'm bad. Okay, let me get a knife. Just make sure it's loose on all the sides. And it's loose here, so that I don't pull anything with me. Alright, oh look at the cheese already. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, I love cheese. Look at the cheese. I love cheese. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at the cheese. Oh my gosh. Okay. And this little piece right here. I have to have this. This is delicious. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. I'm enjoying myself too much. Let me slide this over. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna have some salad with it. I'm just gonna put my salad right here. Let's see. And this is delicious. So this is my lasagna. Look how delicious that is. Just totally delicious. Well guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good night. God bless. Bye bye.